Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fam 2 Cents cooking video, and today I'm showcasing the first time I have ever made chili, and that is homemade chili from scratch with all the ingredients that you see here, as opposed to just making canned chili and tweaking it somehow. Now I don't know what took me so long. I'm not really sure why it's taken this long to actually do this, because I've always had the opportunity to do it, I just never have. And this recipe is fairly simple, extremely straightforward, and about as minimalistic as you can get kind of when it comes to chili. I'm sure there's a lot more ingredients I could have added, but I just kind of used what I had: some celery and some onions. Tossed them in some butter, gave them a little seasoning, salt and pepper mainly, or seasoned salt and pepper mainly, just to kind of get it started as a base, so it wasn't just meat and beans and onions. So after I was finished kind of sauteing the vegetables a bit and getting them kind of close to where I wanted them, I went on ahead and added the beef. Now there was a little confusion for me when I looked up a bunch of recipes to kind of get a general idea of the direction I wanted to take with my chili, where sometimes people would cook their meat first and sometimes people would cook their vegetables first, and it kind of varied from video to video. Almost like every video I watched, the very next one would be different. So I just kind of made an executive choice here and decided to go about it as easy as I can. As you can see here, we're doing the one pot method, where it's just like everything just goes in one pot, because the Ninja Foodie is awesome like that. I mean, I'm sure you could just do this on the stove too, but one of the reasons why I love the Ninja Foodie is because it's that easy to do that here. So as you can see, I'm mixing in the meat and making sure that it's getting a chance to really cook with all those vegetables in there. And once that cooks down to my liking, then it'll be time to add some of the other ingredients to it. So that cooked down to the point I wanted it to, and now it's time to add the diced tomatoes to it. And I also bought a can of not diced tomatoes, it's just actually tomato sauce. I added some beans that we had in the cabinet here. I think they were like Goya pink beans or something like that. I'm not sure exactly what kind of beans they were, honestly, because I wasn't really gonna add them, but Squishy just kind of handed them to me at the last minute and was like, put those in there, so I did. So I don't think it really matters. I guess you can pick whatever beans you like the best, but I just tossed those in there, and we're adding the sauce now to get things all nice and to the consistency that we want it to be here. And now it's time to actually season. So we had some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, and obviously lots of chili powder and pepper, because I like a little spice to my chili. I don't like it to be I don't like mild chili. I like it to be a little spicy, so went on ahead and added that. And at this point, you're kind of done. You just kind of let it cook and until all the flavors kind of develop, and then you're good to go. Now obviously a little bit towards the end you need to taste for salt specifically. There's a reason why I didn't add a lot of salt right away, because I like to adjust that afterwards. Like, you know, you mess it up now, there's kind of no way to fix it, but salting when it's done is a good way to get it where you want it to be without messing it up. So as you guys can see, it's been cooking here for a while, and it's starting to look good. It's looking like a really good, nice, hearty chili. And I'm not gonna lie, guys, like, I know I say this about a lot of things that I cook, and it may come off as pretentious. I'm not trying to be, but goddamn, this was the best chili that I've ever tasted. Yes, I made it, and I know everybody who makes stuff is like, my stuff is the best. There towards the end, I added a little salt and a little garlic salt. I probably should have just added garlic salt, to be honest, but whatever. I thought it would make it taste better, and I didn't think about it afterwards. Should have just added the garlic salt, but I didn't think about it until then. It didn't change anything. Like, it still had the desired effect, but there you go. And the final product was, it was something else. And I just didn't do regular chili. I had the chili in there. I put some cheese on top and some sour cream with some chopped green onions that I tossed on there, man. And it was excellent. It was really, really good. I was very pleased with the final product here. And as I said, being that this is the first time I've ever made actual chili, I feel like I did a pretty good job. Now, as I said before, I do consider this to be fairly standard in regards to some of the recipes that I've seen for chili. There's a lot of extra added ingredients, more vegetables maybe that I could have put in there to kind of up the ante just a little bit, but like I said, I used what I had in my house at the time. So maybe next time we'll go a little hard. We'll upgrade this recipe. We'll do chili 2.0. We'll see. But I just want to do this quick short video because it was something that I did, and I have a cooking channel, and I should upload food on here whenever I make it. So yeah, nice first attempt, I think. Hopefully, if you guys try out the, I mean, I don't know, I guess I didn't really leave you a specific recipe to follow. But if you like, just share your chili recipes down in the comment section below, and I will check them out. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.